Okay, so let's go, or let's move to the another set of problems. Okay, number 13. Okay, number 13. A balanced three-phase Y-connected load of 150 kilowatts takes a leading current of 100 amperes when the line is 2,400 volts, 60 Hz. What is the capacitance per phase? So walang sinabi dito kung anong klaseng 3-phase siya. It's either delta or Y, pero walang sinabi. Assume natin Y connected siya. Okay, okay. Okay, so voltage line is equivalent to 2,400 volts. Power total is equivalent to 150 kilowatts. Then I line current is equivalent to 100 amps. Okay, so ano bang una natin makuha pag ganyan in terms of line, no? So makuha natin yung power factor. PT is equivalent to square root of 3 VLIL power factor. So meron tayong power factor is equivalent to 150,000, okay, over square root of 3 times 24 times 100 equals meron tayong 0.36 ang power factor natin. Okay na, so power factor is equivalent to cosine theta. Theta is equivalent to arc cos ng 0.36. Theta natin ay arc cos answer. Meron tayong 68.85 degree. Okay, pag leading current, pag sabing leading, ang sign ng angle na yan pag leading ay positive, pag lagging yan negative. Okay, sabi niya leading current, so meron tayong IL equivalent to 100 amps, tapos positive. Okay, 68.85 degree amps. Ayun yung IL natin. Okay, IL is equivalent to I phase. So ang hinahanap dyan ay yung capacitance per phase, C. Okay, so meron tayong B phase is equivalent to BL over square root of 3 angle 0, reference phasor natin. So B phase equivalent to G phase, I phase. Para makuha natin si G phase ay 24 over square root of 3 divided by 100 angle 68.85. Kuha natin Z phase, 24 over square root of 3 divided by 24 over square root of 3 divided by 100 angle 68.85. Okay, so meron tayong meron tayong 5 minus J 12.92 ohms. Okay? Ito, ibig sabihin leading current, so capacitive siya. Capacitive reactance. So, kumbaga, ito yung XC mo, ito si R. XC is equivalent to 1 over 2 pi FC. Para makuha si C, okay, substitute lang. One over 2 pi 60 times 12.92. Okay, para makuha natin si C. Ano yung si C? 1 over 2 pi 60 times 12.92. 205 microfarad. Okay? So meron tayong 205 microfarad. Okay? Gets ba? Siyempre, madali lang naman eh. Gets na gets yan. Okay? Kailangan ko ako ng number 14. Okay, number 14. It is required to increase the power factor of 750 kilowatts 3-phase balance load from 0.7 to 0.9 lagging. The line voltage is 6,900 volts, 60 Hz. Specify the capacitor required to increase the power factor of this Y connected load in microfarad. Okay? So dito muna, discussion natin ay about kung merong Cupido, pag Valentine sa 3-phase naman meron tayong Cupitan. No, si Cupitan. Okay? Cupitan. Tan. Okay? Okay? So meron tayong power factor correction yan. Tan theta 1 tapos plus or minus tan theta 2. Pag negative, lagging power factor. Pag positive, capacitive, leading. Okay? Ayan si Cupitan. Okay, sabi dito, number 14. It is required to increase the power factor of 70 kilowatts. Okay, meron tayong total power na 70 kilowatts. Okay. 3-phase load from 0.7 to 0.9. Okay, meron tayong power factor 1. 0.7. Power factor 2. 0.9. Parehas lag. Meron tayong BL na 6,900 volts. Meron tayong frequency na 60 Hz. Okay. Meron daw si capacitor. Ayan daw hinahanap si capacitor. Okay, so kunin natin theta 1, theta 2. Arc cos mo lang yan, 0.7. Arc cos, 0.7. 45.57. Okay. Arc cos, 0.9. 25.84. Okay. So after nyan, substitute mo na yung value para makuha mo na si Q total mo. Okay? Q total ay equivalent yan ng P total mo 750. Okay? Tangent 45. Tangent 45.57 minus tangent 25.84. Okay, Q total. Okay. Tangent 45.57 minus tangent 25.84. Answer times 750. meron tayong 401.86 kVAR. Okay? Total yan. So, gawin natin per phase. Q total is equal to 3 Q per phase. So, meron tayong Q per phase na divide natin yan ng 3. Answer, divided by 3. Meron tayong 133.95 kVAR. Okay? Q per phase is equivalent to B phase squared over XC. XC ay 2,000, ano to? 6,900 pala. 6,900 over square root of 3 squared over 133.95. Meron tayo XC na. Okay. 6,900 over square root of 3 squared divided by 133.95 times 10 to 3. Meron akong XC na 118.48 ohms. Okay. Then, kunin mo na si C is equivalent to 1 over 2 pi F XC. Okay. 1 over 2 pi times 60 times 118.48. Meron tayong capacitor na, okay, 1 over 2 pi times 60 times answer. Meron tayong 22.39 microfarad per phase yan, ha. Okay? Hirap. Dali. Dali lang, no? Basic. Kayang-kaya. So, number 15. A balanced three-phase source serves 3 loads. Okay? Three-phase source. Meron tayong line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay? Meron tayong load 1. Load 1. Okay. Meron tayong load 2. Okay. Meron tayong load 3. Okay. So, meron tayong line voltage na 208 BRMS. Meron tayong frequency na 60 Hz. Okay. Sa load 1, meron tayong P1 equivalent to 24 kilowatts, 0.6 lag. Load 2, 10 kilowatts, unity power factor. Okay. Load 3, S3 pala yan, 14 kVA, 0.8 leading power factor. Pag leading, capacitive yan. Okay. So, kunin mo muna yung ano hinahanap, line current. Okay. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, kunin mo muna yung total nito. Tatlong yan. Gawin mo, i-convert mo siya sa S. Okay. Tapos, pagtapos nun, kunin mo na yung S total. Okay, tapos magagawin mo S is equivalent to square root of 3 BLIL. Okay? Ayan na yun. Okay? So, kunin natin S1. Okay, ito. Power triangle SPQ. Theta. Okay? Cosine theta. Okay? O power factor adjacent over hypotenuse. So, meron tayong power factor na ito na, makuha natin agad. S1 ay equivalent yan ng 24 over 0.6. Okay? 24 divided by 0.6. Meron tayong 40. Okay? Pero kukunin natin yung angle, no? Arc cos theta 1, arc cos 0.6, arc cos 0.6. Meron tayong 53.13 kVA. Okay? At unity, S is equivalent to P. So, S2 mo ay equivalent ng 10 kilowatts. Ay 10 kVA pala. Okay? Sa pangatlo, meron kang 14 kVA, S3, 14 kVA. Tapos, arc cos mo lang yung 0.8. Meron kang negative 36.87 kVA. Okay? Arc theta 3, arc cos 0.8. Okay? So, dito, S total, S1 plus S2 plus S3. So, meron ka S1 na 40, angle 53.13 plus 10 plus 14, angle negative 36.87. S total mo ay okay, 40 angle 53.13 plus 10 plus 14 angle negative 36.87. Shift to 3. Meron tayong 51 angle 27.57 kVA. Okay? So, kunin natin yung line current. So, S total square root of 3 BLIL. IL equivalent to 51 27.57 kVA over square root of 3 tas BL na 208. Okay, meron tayong line current na 51,000 angle 27.57 divided by square root of 3 times 208. Shift to 3, meron tayong 141 angle 27.57 na amps. Okay, negative to dapat. Okay, so next problem, tignan mo natin tanong ulit. Ito, yan, linaw. Ito, okay, yan na. Next problem. Okay, number 16. Sabi sa number 16, two balanced loads are connected in parallel to a 3-phase 460 volt source. Load A is 90 kVA at a power factor of 0.6 lag, and load B is 25 kVA at unit power factor. What is the new power factor of the system? Okay, so number 16. Okay, meron daw 3-phase source. Okay. Okay. Load 1, load 2. Ang sabi? Load 1 is 90 kVA at 0.6 power factor. 90 kVA. Tapos 0.6 lag. S2 is equivalent to 25 kVA. Okay, ay 25 kVA. Okay, unity. So meron tayong VL na 460 volts. Okay, ano daw yung new power factor of the system? So kunin mo S total. Okay, so S1 plus S2. Okay, so 90 arc cos ng 0.6 theta 1 0.6 ay cos arc cos ng 0.6 arc cos 0.6 53.13, so meron tayong 53.13 dito plus 25 kVA. So S total ay 90 angle 53.13 plus 25, meron tayong 106.89 angle 42.35 kVA. Okay, so meron tayong new theta 2 is equivalent to 42.35, then cosine theta, cosine 42.35 is equivalent to power factor. Okay, power factor natin ay cosine 42.35. Meron tayong 0.74. Okay, lagging. Okay, mahirap, madali. Madali lang, kayang-kaya yan. So doon tayo sa next problem. Okay, wattmeter method na. Okay, so sa wattmeter method, di ba sabi ko sa wattmeter method, ang tatandaan lang natin ay yung formula na isa, yung sa tangent lang. Okay, so meron tayong into wattmeter method, number 17 of power measurement. The readings of the two wattmeters were 6,717 and 2,658 watts. Find the power factor. Okay, di ba ang ano doon sa ano, 2 wattmeter method, tangent theta is equivalent to square root of 3 over W1 plus W2. Tama ba? Tama yan. So makukuha natin to, arctan lang. Okay, square root of 3 W1 minus W2 all over W1 plus W2. Okay, kuha ko ng theta. Theta, substitute lang yung value, arctan. Okay, square root of 3. W1 ko ay 6,717 minus 2,658. Okay, 6,717 plus 2,658 Meron akong theta na square root of 3 multiply by 6717 minus 2658 divided by 6717 plus 2658. Ay, shucks. Yan. Arcta ng answer. Meron akong 36.87 degree. Okay? Then, cosine 36.87 is equal to cosine ng answer. Meron akong 0.8 power factor lagging. Yan, okay? Gets? Madali. Sobrang dali. Okay? Number 18. Number 18. Sabi sa number 18, the total power consumed by a balanced 3-phase load is 3,000 watts at 0.8 power factor. Two wattmeters, wattmeter A and wattmeter B are connected to the line. What is the reading of wattmeter A? Okay? So, number 18. Meron na tayong wattmeter A plus wattmeter B is equivalent to 3,000 na watts. Okay? Meron tayong power factor na 0.8. Okay? So, yung theta natin dyan ay 36.87. Okay? Gamitin na natin si tangent. Theta square root of 3 W1 minus W2 over W1 plus W2. Okay? So, dito, tangent 36.87 is equal to square root of 3. Okay? W1 plus W2. Okay, W1 minus W2 over 3,000. Okay, so dito W1 minus W2 equals tangent 36.87 answer times 3,000 divided by square root of 3. Meron tayong 1,299.04. Okay? So, kung ganon, nakuha natin, di ba? So, palitan ko lang ito ng WA, WB para di ako malito. Okay? Pero same lang yung sila. Ito yung unang equation natin. Ano ba hinahanap? Si WA. Okay? So, dapat A lahat ang magiging answer natin. Papalitan natin si B. So, bali si WB, magiging WB is equivalent to WA minus 1299.04. Okay? Substitute lang natin dito. WA plus WB is equivalent to 3,000. Okay? So, WA plus WA minus 1299.04 is equal to 3,000. So, meron tayong 2WA is equivalent to 3,000 plus 1299.04. Meron tayong WA na 3,000 plus answer divided by 2. Meron tayong 2,150 watts. Okay? 2,150 watts. Ayan yung WA natin. Then si WB ay 3,000 minus 2,150. Meron tayong 850 watts. Okay? Madali, mahirap. Madali lang yan. Kayo pa, kayang-kaya nyo yan. Na, hindi naman mahirap, napakadali lang eh. Ito yung tanong. Ito yung sagot. So, move tayo sa next. Number 19.